We are back at CVS for the Epic Beauty Sale ad. I'm so excited now through March 14th. So March 1st through March 14th, it's going to be the Epic Beauty Sale at CVS. And so we have a ton of different beauty promotions, more than we normally have. And we're getting a 10 off 30 beauty coupon. It's good on all beauty and personal care products at CVS. So it's going to cover like most of what we normally get couponing at CVS. And we got one today on March 1st on Sunday, and we're getting another one on Sunday, March 8th. So you'll have two opportunities per account to use that 10 off 30 coupon, and you can combine it with the sales we have going on, the digital coupons, rebates, and extra buck promotions, and we can get $30 worth of stuff for as low as free plus a moneymaker. So I'm going to go over all of my favorite 10 off 30 scenarios with you guys, along with the other deals that we have going on at CVS. I'm so excited, so not going to waste any more time. Let's get into the deals this week. Quick update, you guys. I just left CVS and then I went onto Instagram and I saw a deal update for the buy two get back a $7 extra buck on Nivea. So what I'm seeing is that the Nivea tins, the little blue ones and the little white ones that are between like $1 and $2, those are prompting back the $7 extra buck, and it's not showing online. So you can't check that it's still working online. People will probably just report once it is no longer working. Who knows? It may work the entire 1 week or 2 week period that we have that promotion. But yes, the little tins between $1 and $2, there's a blue one and like the soft white one. If you can find them at your store, people are getting back their $7 extra buck for buying 2 of them. So check at your store, see if it's prompting and giving it back. If it doesn't give it back, you can just return them. Let me know if this deal works for you. I did want to give you guys that deal update because I didn't see that deal to do it myself, but I saw that it was still working as of like 6 p.m. Central on Sunday, March 1st. So if you guys scored that deal, let me know in the comment section down below. Wanted to give you guys a heads up because that is an awesome moneymaker deal. You'll end up spending between like $3 and $4, get back the $7 extra buck. So it can be up to like a $3 to $4 moneymaker. So I'm going to go over all the beauty and personal care deals that I personally think are great to put into a 10 off 30 scenario, and then I'm going to go through a few 10 off 30 scenarios. Please note, you can put together whatever 10 off 30 scenario that you want with items that you use or need. So I would say don't do other people's scenarios necessarily. Do your own scenario with items that you need. Just putting that out there because I think it's easy to get into the freebies and moneymakers, but if you need something, throw it into the 10 off 30 because we only get it like 2 times a year. So the first thing I want to go over is the Garnier facial care deal. Buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $6 extra buck. So the cheapest option is grabbing 2 of the scrubs at $8.29, totaling $12.43. And we do have a $3 digital coupon. So using that, you'd be left to pay $9.43. Getting back the $6 extra buck would make 2 of them just $3.43, or of course cheaper, put into a 10 off 30 scenario. If you use Neutrogena facial care, we have great 10 off 30 CRT scenarios. For example, you can grab the Hydro Boost water gel at $30.79 and use the 10 off 30 on it. Use your $5 digital coupon and you'd be left to pay $15.79. You get back a $10 extra buck for spending $25 on Neutrogena facial care, making your final cost just $5.79 for this. Another way that you can do the Neutrogena deal is grabbing 2 of the wipes, the purple ones at $8.29, and 1 of the Hydro Boost lip mask at $13.79, totaling $30.37. Use your 10 off 30 and use the 4 off 2 digital coupon for the wipes that we have, and a $5 off for moisturizer items, and it does attach to the lip product. You'd pay $11.37, get back your $10 extra buck, making all 3 items just $1.37. If you like Olay eye creams, this is a great way to use your 10 off 30. You can grab 1 of the eye creams at $37.99, any of these, and use your 10 off 30 on it, and then use a $4 digital coupon we have on the Coupon 24 app, and you'd be left to pay $23.99. You get back a $10 extra buck for spending $30 on Olay skincare products, and you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $6 back. So after everything, that'd make your final cost just $7.99. That is an insane deal for a over $37 eye cream. And if you guys do not already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment, and you'll get a $5 bonus when you sign up with my link. The Neutrogena acne patches, and it's just the patches, not all acne products, are spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab the patches at $10.49 and use a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $6.99. You'll earn back your $5 extra buck, making this just $1.99. And of course, you can pair it into a 10 off 30 CRT scenario. Clean and Clear is spend 10, get back a $5 extra bucks. You can grab the acne spot treatment at $9.99, and after the $5 extra buck back, it would make it just $4.99. I don't think we have a digital coupon, but if you like Clean and Clear, it's a decent deal. Nivea lotion are buy two, get back a $7 extra buck. So if you don't want to do the tin deal, if you can't find them at your store, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the blue and the white soft tins are prompting back the $7 extra buck as of like 6 p.m. on Sunday, March 1st. But if you did want to grab the lotions instead, you can grab 2 of the 8-ounce at $6.99, totaling $13.98, and use a $2 digital coupon. You pay $11.98, get back your $7 extra buck, making 2 of them $4.98. If you are brand loyal to Palmer's, the Palmer's lotions and skincare products are buy one, get one 50% off and buy 2, get back a $6 extra buck. I don't believe we have our digital coupon anymore, but if you are brand loyal and like these products, you could throw these into your 10 off 30 beauty scenario. The Irish Spring 3-count bar soap are $2.99 and buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck. And the same promotion also applies for the soft soap hand soap for the larger bottles. So grabbing 2, you'd pay $5.98, get back your $3 extra buck, making 2 of them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. And these items do work for the 10 off 30 beauty and personal care CRT. Axe body wash are buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of them regular price at my store at $6.29 and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $7.58. Earning back the $4 extra buck would make 2 of them just $3.58. Okay, if you like Dove body wash, the big pumps are $10.99 on sale. Buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab 2 and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $16.98. Earning back the $3 extra buck would make 2 of them just $13.98. And this is an excellent item to use for your 10 off 30 CRT scenario for beauty and personal care. Garnier Fructis hair care are 2 for $9 and buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck, and we do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So using that, you'd be left to pay $6. Earning back your $3 extra buck would make your final cost for 2 of them just $3 or $1.50 each. I'm going to pair this in with my 10 off 30 scenario. Salon Professional hair care buy 2, get back a $10 extra buck, and included are the small size travel chi heat protectants at $6.99. So grabbing 2 of them would total $13.98. You'd pay that, get back your $10 extra buck, making 2 of them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. We have a deal on the OGX Pro Growth shampoo and conditioner. They're $10.79 at my store. Buy one, get one 40% off and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So grab 2 totaling $17.26 and use a 6 off 2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $11.26. Earning back your $4 extra buck would make 2 of them just $7.26. Colgate toothpaste are on sale for $3.99 each and are buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So grab 2 totaling $7.98 and use a $2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $5.98. After your $4 extra buck back, it would make your final cost $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents each. Neutrogena Cosmetics are spend $12, get back a $7 extra buck. So you can grab the lip balms at $12.49 and use a $3 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $9.49, and after the $7 extra buck back, it would make one of these just $2.49. Real Techniques and Eco Tools are spend $15, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab one of the brush sets at my store, the cheapest ones above $15 or $15.49. So you'd pay that, get back your $10 extra buck, making it $5.49 or cheaper if you pair it in with the 10 off 30 CRT. Heads up, you guys, that the Kiss eyelashes are buy 2, get back an $8 extra buck, including the single pairs. So if your store has them priced kind of cheap, like around $4.99, I saw this is the cheapest price online, that would be a really good deal. If they're $4.99, it would make 2 of them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. So if you use lashes, it's a great deal. Now getting into my 10 off 30 scenario, grabbing the Garnier Fructis, the Axe body wash, and the Neutrogena lip balm. These 5 items would total $34.07 using the 10 off 30 coupon, the 3 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis, the 5 off 2 for the Axe body wash, and the $3 for the Neutrogena. You'd be left to pay $13.07, and then you'd earn back $14 in extra bucks. It would be 3 for the Garnier, 4 for the Axe, and 7 for the Neutrogena, making your final cost free plus a 93-cent moneymaker. Another scenario is grabbing the Garnier Micellar cleansing waters. I did these instead of the scrubs to make sure I'm at my $30 mark for the buy one, get one 50% off and buy 2, get back a $6 extra buck deal on Garnier facial care. The Neutrogena acne patches and 2 of the soft soap hand soap. You could also grab the Irish Spring bar soap as well. So these 5 items total $30.40. You can use the 10 off 30 CRT, the $3 digital for the Garnier, and the $3.50 digital for the Neutrogena acne products. And you'd be left to pay $13.90. And then you'd earn back $14 in extra bucks. It would be 6 for the Garnier, 5 for the Neutrogena, and 3 for the soft soap or the Irish Spring, making your final cost free plus a 10-cent moneymaker. The Conair hair appliances are spend 40, get back a $15 extra bucks. You could grab like this hair dryer that's right above $40. We also have like this straightener and a curler that are all around $40. So if you grab something around 40, you'd pay around 30 with the $10 CRT, get back your $15 extra buck, making a $40 hair tool just $15. I wanted to show you guys a spend 30 get 10 scenario on P&G laundry products. You can grab 2 of the Downy Rinse and Refresh at $6.99 each on sale, 2 of the Downy Beads at $6.99 on sale, and 1 of the Tide Pods at $5.49 on sale. These 5 would total $33.45. You can use a $3.50 digital for the Downy Rinse and Refresh and a $3.50 coupon 24 app coupon for the Downy Rinse and Refresh, a $3.50 digital for the Downy Beads, and a $3.50 coupon 24 digital for the Downy Beads, and a $1 CVS app digital coupon for the Tide Pods, and you'd be left to pay $18.45. Getting back your $10 extra buck would make your final cost for all 5 items just $8.45. Lysol wipes for the 80 count are $10.99 for the cheapest ones at my store for the dual action. They're buy one, get one free, and buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck. So grabbing 2 of the dual action at $10.99, you can use a 2 off 2 digital coupon and you'd be left to pay $8.99, and then you'll earn back the $3 extra buck, and that would make your final cost for 2 of them just $5.99 or like $2.99 each. The Finish 11 count dish pods are also $9.99 buy one get one free, and buy 2 get back a $3 extra buck. So you'd end up paying $9.99 for 2 of them, making your final cost just $6.99 for 2 after the $3 extra buck back. The Lysol toilet bowl cleaners are $4.29 at my store. Buy one get one 50% off, and buy 2 get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab 2 totaling $6.43, and after the $3 extra buck back, it would make 2 of them just $3.43. I know some stores have them priced significantly cheaper, so it could be an even better deal for you. The General Mills cereal are on sale for $1.99 each, so you can grab 2 of them totaling $3.98 and use a $1 off 2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $2.98, and then you can submit to Fetch for $1.50 back on 2. And if you grab the Lucky Charms, you can also get an additional 90 cents back on 2. That would make your final cost for 2 boxes of Lucky Charms just 58 cents for both. An amazing deal. If you guys do not already have the Fetch app, you definitely need it. You can get tons of points for your couponing deals. I will have Fetch linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $4 bonus when you sign up with that link. These single packs of Huggy wipes are buy one get one 50% off, and buy 2 get back a $2 extra buck. So you can grab 2 totaling $6.88 and use a 50-cent digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $6.38, making your final cost just $4.38 for 2 after the $2 extra buck back. Halls cough drops are buy one get one 50% off, and buy 2 get back a $2 extra buck. So you can grab 2 at $3.29 totaling $4.93 and use a $1.25 off of 2 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $3.68, making your final cost after the extra buck back just $1.68 for 2. These Mirafast chews are $16.19 and buy one get back an $8 extra buck. So grabbing 1 and using a $3 digital coupon, you'd be left to pay $13.19. After getting back your $8 extra buck, it would make one of these just $5.19. All of the Alka-Seltzer products are buy one get back a $4 extra buck, including the cheaper boxes. So check your store's prices. My store was priced kind of high. The cheapest one was $5.99 and they were out of stock. So at my store, that'd make the cheapest one $1.99, but it probably would be a better deal at your store. So check prices. All right, you guys, so I did a total of, I think it was 5 transactions. I did 4 transactions rolling and then 1 transaction by itself on another card. So for this first transaction, I used my 10 off 30 beauty coupon. So I did the Garnier Fructis, the Axe body wash, and then the Neutrogena lip balm. And I used my 5 off 2 for the Axe, the $3 for the Garnier, and the $3 for the Neutrogena makeup, and my 10 off 30 coupon. I used some extra bucks I had to pay, but in total it was $13.07 out of pocket, and then I got back $14 in extra bucks. So this transaction was a moneymaker of about $1 to start off, and then I'm rolling those $14 in extra bucks into the next transaction. Okay, so then transaction 2, I did the Halls deal as well as the Garnier micellar cleansers deal. That was a little bit more expensive than the scrubs, but I just like those better, so I grabbed those instead. And I also needed a little bit more more cost on my Garnier scenario in order to use up the $14 in extra bucks from transaction 1. So I used the $3 digital and the $1.25 for the Halls, used my $14 in extra bucks, paid just 61 cents, and then earned back $8 in new extra bucks from this transaction to roll into transaction 3. For transaction 3, I did the Lysol wipe deal. So I used my 2 off 2 digital. They were $11.49 at my store and buy one get one free. And then the $8 in extra bucks, I paid $1.49 out of pocket and then earned back the $3 in extra bucks for buying 2 Lysol products. And then I'm going to roll that into my last transaction for this rolling extra bucks scenario. And to finish my 4 transactions for rolling, I did the General Mills cereal deal, $1.99 each, used my dollar off 2 digital, used my $3 in extra bucks from the Lysol, paid nothing out of pocket, and then earned back about $1.50 from Fetch Rewards, 1,500 points back for 2 boxes of General Mills cereal. So that was a really, really good deal. In total, I spent out, I think, $15.17, something like that, around $15 for all 4 transactions net cost out of pocket. So if you started with no extra bucks, that's how much you'd pay out of pocket. And then of course earned back about $1.50 back from Fetch. So it was like $13 and some change net cost, taking into consideration Fetch. So that was really, really amazing, thanks to that 10 off 30 beauty coupon that everyone should be using this week, because that is an incredible deal to start off and get a moneymaker on some items that we do not even get for free anymore. Okay, and finally, I did do a deal on L'Oreal facial care, and I didn't show this deal just because I think there's other better ways to use your 10 off 30 CRT, but I had to pick this up for a branded collaboration that's going up this week. And so of course I did it myself just to show the extra buck and show the coupons coming off for that video. And it actually is a pretty decent deal though for L'Oreal facial care if you like L'Oreal facial care. So it's spend 30, get 10. I grabbed one of the triple power moisturizers at $30.39, used the $3 digital and the 10 off 30 CRT. And so it was $17.39 out of pocket, and then I got back the $10 in extra bucks for spending 30 before coupons. So a net cost of just $7.39 for this. Definitely not a bad deal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video with the epic beauty sale. If you did, please leave me a comment down below of what your 10 off 30 scenario is going to be looking like. Let me know what you end up picking up, how it turns out for you, and how you're going to be rolling your extra bucks this week. I will catch you guys in next week's Sunday video for another week of the epic beauty sale, and I'll probably have way more ideas for you in that video, since it'll be the exact same sales ad and just getting another round of that 10 off 30 CRT. And of course, we'll get new rebates, new digital coupons, so there might be some changes compared to this week for that 10 off 30 epic beauty scenario. Have an awesome week of couponing, you guys. Please make sure that you give this video a like to help push it out to more people to learn CVS couponing, and I will catch you guys next week.